blue by me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
What's up, guys? I am Courtney B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an oldie, thank you so much for clicking on another video. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. It is free and it doesn't cost you anything. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you will never miss an upload from me. In today's video, my daughter's room makeover, so I am so excited to start the makeover in her room. We are just going to take all of her furniture out and then start revamping her room, so keep on watching. Okay guys, so we finally got the beds inside. Here they are. They're kind of heavy, but yeah, we have everything in, so now is the fun part of building them. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do next, is build the beds. So hopefully it won't take too long, but yeah, stay tuned.
Hours later.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back on and show you guys the progress. I think this is like the halfway mark. But yeah, I didn't put this bed together. My husband put this bed together. So yeah, I took a look at the instructions. That was the first thing I looked at, and it was so confusing. So I had to call my husband to the rescue. So once he's done, or should I say we, because I'm helping him out. So once we're done, then we'll come back on and show you guys how it's looking. Okay guys, so we're finally finished putting together her bed, and this is how it turned out. So I am super excited and happy with how it came out. This cover is not going to be the final results. I'm going to decorate it after we finish, but right now we're going to start working on putting the desk together that's going to go underneath the bed. So stay tuned for that.
The next day.
Alright guys, so we are finally finished. Madison's room has been a work in progress, but I wanted to give you guys the big reveal and let you guys see how everything looks. So yeah, her cover, that's the IKEA cover, and it has the duvet inside of it. So yeah, I just went ahead and put her bears that she sleep with at night, so I put those up there for her. And then here I decided to put some books on her bookshelf. I don't know if you guys remember when I showed you guys in the haul, I showed you guys the long one, but I also purchased 2 short ones for my youngest daughter, and I ended up just using those for Madison. So those are the 2 small ones, and most of her books fit there, so I put most of them there. And then I just put the overflow here and then a couple over here. So I'll show you guys where the rest of them are. But yeah, I went ahead and I just did pencils for her. So I put her pencils in this, and then she just has, she chose girl power. So that's what she wanted to have on her sign. So yeah, she can change it whenever she wants to. She has all of the letters and different unicorns and flowers and hearts and everything to change it out whenever she is ready. Also, I went ahead and I made this little bouquet of flowers. I don't know if you guys got a chance to see it, but that's what this is. So yeah, I think it came out really good. I also wanted to show you guys what I did with the 3 pictures that I bought her. So on this wall, I just decided to put 2 pictures because I felt like it was a little bare. So I put those 2 there, and then I put the other picture here. And then from here, I wanted to show you guys the bean bag that we made. We did this on our own. So for the bean bag, we just took 2 covers, sewed it together, and then just put stuffing inside of it to make her bean bag. And then this is her little purple rug that I got. I don't think I showed you guys this, but I got it from Burlington, I believe. It was from Burlington. So yeah, I think that went really good with it. And then also, this is what I did with the lights. So yeah, we got the big ones from IKEA, and then the twinkle lights. These twinkle lights? No, fairy. The fairy lights. I don't think I showed you guys that, but I think we got that from Walmart, I believe. And then yeah, we just put the curtain behind it. So I think it came out really good. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think? Should I add something, take something away? Let me know. Okay, so guys, I also put her karaoke machine here, so she can just make some music whenever she wants, but this is the only spot that I had for it. And then also, let me know, what do you guys think about this bookcase? I originally wanted to paint it white so it would match her desk and the frames, but I just decided to leave it darker so that it would match her bed. So let me know down below, do you guys think we should paint it white or leave it dark? So comment below and let me know. But yeah, that is pretty much the gist of her room. I think we're all done in here. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys think we did a good job. Madison, are you proud of your room? You like it or do you love it?
I love it.
So yeah, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!